Okay, you have clicked on this video because you want to learn how to grow on YouTube. And I'm going to be talking to you about exactly how to do that. See, I have a YouTube channel called SmartyRBX and it has over 89,000 subscribers now. I've been making content for around 4 years, and today I'm going to be telling you a few lessons that I have learned that can help you to go from wherever you are right now on YouTube to wherever you want to go, whether that's 100 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers, or more. I'm going to help you to get there. So the first lesson is that the key to YouTube success truly is constant improvement. What got me to having 89,000 subscribers was not some random trick that I found. It was not some secret that I found. It was not some mystical magic spell. The truth is, I started out sucking and I had horrible videos that didn't get any views and that everyone hated, just like everyone who gets started. You watching this, you might be experiencing that right now, where you make a video and you think it's good and you put it out there and everyone hates it. I've been there. And I've gotten to the point now where my videos are very good. I still have improvements to make, of course, like everyone does, but my videos are very good. I upload a video on a topic. I know what to make the video on. I know how to make the editing good. I know how to speak well. I know how to piece the whole video together. And this didn't come from some secret gimmick. The truth is that it all came down to constant improvement. All I did from the start was I would upload a video and I would see, what did I do wrong? What were the problems in this video? Maybe I misspoke here. Maybe I made the edit not that good here. Maybe there was a boring part that was a few minutes long. And then what I would do is next time I would fix those mistakes. And it's really all about simply improving at least 1% each video. If you improve 1% each video, you will reach your YouTube goals eventually. And if you aren't where you want to be on YouTube right now, the reason why is that your videos and your content simply isn't good enough yet. You simply have to improve 1% each upload and you will eventually succeed on YouTube. The second lesson is to be self-aware of where you are on YouTube. A lot of people come to me asking how to grow on YouTube. And most of the time, what they say is, I'm doing everything right, but I'm not growing. My videos are good, but I'm not getting views. And then I click on their channel and I see problems galore. Their thumbnails are bad. Maybe they don't use their voice in their videos. Maybe they only use screen recordings and upload them raw and they don't do any editing. And it's just a clip of them playing a Roblox game. These people still think their videos are really good when they have glaring problems when I look at them. So what many YouTubers need is they need to develop self-awareness and be honest about the problems in your videos. If you watch your videos thinking from the perspective of the person who you want to reach with your content, have honesty and look at the video from their point of view and think, am I getting bored? Is this part good? Would I click this thumbnail? If Mr. Beast's thumbnail was right there on the homepage and my video was right here, would I click? You're gonna find that oftentimes the answer is no. The answer is that there are things to improve. So what I've just told you about is a lesson in self-awareness and honesty. You need to have the honesty and the self-awareness to say when you have a problem, when your videos aren't good enough. Because if you're watching this and you're wondering how to grow on YouTube, your content is probably not good enough yet. And I know that might sound harsh, but it's the truth. I'll even say this about myself right now. The channel you're watching now is a channel that I made recently. And as I've been making this channel, it has had a rocky start. If you go back to my first videos, you'll see a lot of them are not that good. You can compare them to this video and you'll realize that I have improved a lot. But listen, this means even though I have a successful channel, even though I've gotten millions of views on YouTube before and 89,000 subscribers, that doesn't mean that now when I'm making this new channel, I'm not gonna have problems in a new arena when I'm trying something new on YouTube. I'm still gonna have problems just like every other YouTuber. And this shows that no matter where you are on YouTube, this point stands. You need to have the self-awareness and the honesty to admit when there's a problem in your content, and then you need to change it and improve it next video that you post on YouTube. Now, the third lesson to succeed on YouTube is to stop looking so much at the external results, like the views, the subscribers, the ad revenue, all those numbers, all those metrics that a lot of us like to look at, and start looking more at how you can improve yourself through your content, how you can gain skills through creating content, how you can learn to edit, learn to create thumbnails, learn to speak better. And while these things are important, this is more important. And if you focus on this, you will naturally get the external results you want. So the key here is to focus more on the internal results, the growth and the self-improvement that you can gain when you create content. Focus more on this, and then through improving your content and improving yourself, allow that to naturally allow you to get more views, get more subscribers, and get more ad revenue. And I'm telling you, the moment that you start focusing on this, becoming the best content creator possible and making the best videos possible, is the moment that you will start to grow more on YouTube. And not only that, you're gonna gain more fulfillment from it, because if you're only focusing on external results and those don't come, you're gonna be disappointed. But if you learn to recognize and focus on the personal growth and the self-improvement that you're gaining as you create content, you're never gonna feel let down. You're always gonna feel like you gained something from your efforts. And this doesn't mean that you should never go towards these results. I think that you should go towards these external results. These are great, but I think that we should all learn to recognize and focus on these internal results more. And I think that if you've watched this far, you are likely gonna be a bigger, better, more successful YouTuber than most people ever will. If you've understood the concepts I've just explained to you in this video, you are already ahead. You know what to do to make it on YouTube. And I believe in you. I believe you can get any amount of subscribers you want. I believe you can get any amount of views you want. I believe you can get any amount of ad revenue you want. So if you're watching and this has resonated with you and you like to see more of this content, I encourage you to subscribe now below. And especially if you like this mix of self-improvement and content creation and how we can mix these things together to develop ourselves and make better content as well. It's interesting to see these things interlinked because they're very rarely interlinked, but I believe that they truly are interlinked if you look at it closely. Content creation is one of the highest forms of self-improvement. Take these lessons, apply them, and I can't wait to see how much it helps you to grow and improve on YouTube. See you next video.